All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the lake. It's another beautiful day here in California. Yesterday was 86 and sunny, and today it's 58 and gloomy. Anyways, figured I'd bring this girl back out today, give her another shot. We had some issues with the cooling lines and the ESC, so I swapped out the ESC. Well, at least I think it was the ESC. So I swapped out the ESC to a brand new one, reduced the timing, and I fixed the cooling lines, took the kinks out, and still running this 3014 TFL prop. Anyways, so I will throw her in the water, put an 850 pack in it, and we'll check her out. All right, guys, here we go. Round two. First things first, what we're going to do, check water cooling. Not the best conditions for hydroplanes, so the wind is picking up, but we'll give it a shot. Yes, water cooling. Yes, water cooling. It's pretty choppy, guys. Pretty choppy. But water cooling works. That's good. Let me move this turn fin a little bit to drop the sponson. So you got a couple choices here. You could drop the strut, but if you can't, if you're already level with the strut and your CG is as far forward as you want to bring the bow down, what you could do is you could bring that angle up, and when the water thrusts out of there, it theoretically brings the bow back down. So let's see how she runs like that, because she's a little bouncy. But we could chalk that up to the choppiness that's here. She wants to roll over. She's got a little bit of oversteer. Could probably drop the battery further back. I think we'll go with the 1400 pack. I think this pack is a little too light for it. You see? We're not going 3/4 throttle. It's full throttle right there. She's moving. She needs a hell of a lot more tuning though. Hooking those turns nicely. This is about 3/4 throttle, guys. It's full throttle, full throttle. And I flipped her. All right, let's see again. It's full trigger right there. Yeah, it needs the strut drop down or a heavier battery. But this is a great little entry-level hydroplane to run in a little area. It's slow enough that you can see how she's running on the water. It's fast enough where it's enjoyable. Yeah, she's coming up, so I need to drop the strut. Oh, and there we go again. Need to drop the strut, give her some more stability. We'll pull her out right now. We'll check some temps. We'll see how we're doing with that. Because obviously the last time our temperatures were off the charts because we had kinked water lines. Well, anyways, just ran this 850 pack out of her. Flipped her twice. I think I'm gonna go with the 1400 pack in her, and maybe we'll try the micro turn fin. All right, let's pull her open. Let's check her temperatures. Let's see. There we go. 80 on the ESC, 88 on the motor, 83, battery 100. Not bad, boys, not bad, not bad. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a 1400 pack in her, and I'm gonna put the micro turn fin. Here we go. Just so you get a better idea, here's the stock one, and here's that. They're pretty much the same size. So, all right, guys, round two. So we just checked the temperatures. We're at about 80 to 100 degrees on everything, which is really good. The culprit of the cutouts, the power cuts from the last time was the ESC. We had no power cuts right now. Temperatures were good. So I decided I'm putting on the micro swoop fin. So let's give that a shot and see how that works, because I did put a 1400 milliamp pack. Anyways, we'll get it right now. Make sure you guys are in frame here. Oh, I mean, you're talking stability. Look at that. Big difference. Big difference. Big difference. So let's give it a little bit of positive angle. Let's see what that does. Because essentially we want to lift the bow up more to bring lift the transom up more to bring the bow down. Ooh, yeah. Half throttle, full throttle. Oh. Yeah, she's getting flighty. Drop the strut down more. Gotta file it a little bit, chime walking, but she's moving, boys, look at that. It's looking not bad going through this wake and this chop over and over again. Ooh, spin out. Guys, don't be deceived. It's pretty freaking choppy here right now. Let's bring her over there. Let's see if we can do a quick straight shot. Oh, what was that about? What was that about? See, I hope I can cast it that far. Whoa, I don't need to. Yeah, she's dying. I don't know what that is. Come on. Get your ass back here. Get your ass back here. Let's see if we can just a little more right over here. to work these temps. Work the temps, end up flipping her. Not the most ideal way to get your boat back, but don't fall in the water, Coby. Doesn't sound like I have water in her. Anyways, let's go check her out. Yeah, it's too aggressive. I don't like being so aggressive on the angle of the turn fin. I would rather drop the strut, and I could file that down a little bit. On the next ones, I'm probably gonna, I would say 1 millimeter lower on the holes. She does look good though. She does look good, right? Swoop fin worked significantly better than the stock fin. All right, so this is an ultimate test right now for temperatures, because we were just pushing this motor out of the water. 93, 91, 85, battery 82. Boys, we can actually prop up from this setup. We can actually prop up if we want to. I would like to actually prop down and keep the same pitch. We'll see. I ordered some props off of eBay. We'll see how they work out. It's not easy to find 1/8 shaft props with a drive dog. A lot of the smaller props have that 4 millimeter threaded. It's threaded for 4 millimeters. Well, anyways, no water this time. A tiny bit. Got to figure out where that's coming from. Wow. I'm significantly happier than I was the other day. I was worried that these propellers were just too big for this boat, but actually it's a good setup. The strut needs to be dropped down a little bit, and the center of gravity needs to be pushed forward a little more. I might have to trim that edge on the motor mount so I can get my battery further up. We'll see how it all works out. We'll see how it all works out. But I'm gonna call it. That's it for now, boys. H15 hydroplane ran pretty damn good today. Pretty damn good today. Stock, didn't put a GPS in her. Didn't really want to get distracted by how fast she's going. I wanted to check water cooling. I wanted to check rideability. And I'm very happy. A little bit of tuning and she's going to be pretty dialed in. So not bad. Not bad at all. I'll let you guys go. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Thank you to all my new subscribers. But yeah, we'll come back out another time and we'll do a little bit of tuning in the garage, and we'll see what we can get out of her on the next run. All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you later.